out to a used material yard right now, and Princess is my buddy this morning. We are going to see if they have any old water tanks or maybe glass sheets. Those are the two things I need right now for my batch box water heater project.
Did you need some help?
Yeah, actually I'm here today looking for either the insides of a hot water tank, or and I also need a glass sheeting, but
if you look down, the water tanks, hot water heaters are at the end to the right.
okay.
And then just like
so you have some.
We do have some, yeah.
Oh,
and,
great. Gerson, this is going to be a YouTube movie.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
I'm Jim. It's nice and warm here in Tucson today.
Yeah.
Then the glass sheeting.
So down to the right.
Down to the right. And
okay.
then, there's some glass sheets
in there
inside
that I can measure up. Okay, thanks much. We got some water heaters here. There's a 30-gallon for $139. These are actually workable water heaters. They're in good shape. I was hoping to find just the insides of one, but it looks like we're just going to get the ones that are... Ah, now here's one that's tank only for $35. What size is that one? $35 gallons. That might fit. There's 129. There's a 30-gallon over there for $139. These are all intact and ready to use, so I don't need it to work for that. I just need it to work for me. Let's go look around a little bit while we're here at Gerson's and see what else they got. Hey, how about that? Somebody made a barbecue out of a water tank. Now, I love that creativity. Good for them. There you go.
Gerson's, no place to shop at. Good for your wallet. And good for the earth.
There you go.
That's what it is.
That's excellent that you said that, because that's one of the things I'm emphasizing, is using recycled. I'm surprised that you said that right now.
I'm good at it.
What's your name?
Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Kason.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you.
The boy's a genius.
You know it too, huh? I'm trying to cover the top of a recycled refrigerator to make a solar box water heater. And it's a weird dimension.
Glass right here and glass right here. I don't know if this is the type of glass you're really looking for. But
Okay, well, I'll look around. So in this section,
Yeah,
is it back
right
in here? Okay.
back here is just a bunch of different miscellaneous stuff, really. Just take a look around.
Thanks. Particular, here's glass, but nothing that's gonna fit our fridge except for this one, and this one. That's not big enough either.
Oh, what are you doing, young lady?
I actually came over to shop for a water heater. I'm making a solar water heater, bread box style.
Yeah, we do have some down there where the burners don't work, the electric don't work, so the tank is for sale.
That's what I saw over there. Is that a 30 gallon?
There is some 30s there and 40s too.
But is it a 30 gallon, the one you're talking about?
Probably. We have a couple of them out there.
Yeah,
because the burners or the electrical don't work, and you've got a tank there. So yes.
My neighbor threw out her refrigerator, and I took out the dividing center of it and took out all the guts and laid it down and lined it with thermal reflective fabric. And the tank I get has to fit inside of that body, the bread box.
Get someone to help you?
Get somebody out there to...
Yeah, if you want to, that's fine.
What is your name?
Kasin, K-A-S-I-N.
Okay, Case.
You here to get the
Oh, you're here to get the water heater.
Yeah, I'm the one.
Okay.
I don't need a working water tank. I just need the inside of a tank that will hold the pressure. I'm not going to use any of the valves. I just need a in and out for water. And so to pay like $139.
Well, this is a working one.
Right, yeah.
This one right here, burner doesn't work, so it's only $75.
What size is that?
This is a
Arizona maintenance or naughty.
50 gallon.
Arizona maintenance or naughty. Arizona maintenance is on
50 gallon.
That's closer. Let's measure that. I don't know that that will fit inside my bread box.
On South 6th between Aho and Harrison.
5 feet.
Maybe. I was really looking for a 30 gallon. Do you have anything like that?
No. Just that one electric one right there.
Arizona maintenance is best.
All the rest are 50 gallon. Unless you want something real simple. That one you don't want because that leaks.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's got to hold the normal 60 psi house pressure. But this one doesn't leak and it holds. We're talking this one here.
Yeah, that one is fine. The only thing it does is the burner doesn't stay lit.
Oh, that's great. Because see, I have to take all the fixtures off and cut this out and get the tank itself out. Yeah.
The tank works fine.
That's what I need. I need a working tank.
Okay.
And how much is this one?
$75.
75. Would you go 50?
It's not up to me, no. Yeah, the most they would let me go would be 72.
I'll go 70.
Let me ask the boss.
Okay.
Good thing. And that's what
Jim, do you copy?
Yeah, all of that.
Jim, do you copy? $75. She said she'd give me 70 for it.
You mean how much for it?
70?
70? I'll take $70 for it.
70's good?
Yes.
Okay, it's a deal. Do you take debit, credit,
Visa, MasterCard.
all that? Okay,
Yeah, but I'll
good
take
deal.
70 for it.
Okay, 70's it then. I'll bring my truck around
Okay.
and we'll get it paid off.
Just go ahead and go to the office.
Okay,
Where's he parked at?
She's gonna
I'm going to bring it around.
bring it around.
Yeah.
Get the dolly and get it ready.
I'm the white Toyota over toward the end. You want some help? You want some help on that?
No, I got it.
Okay, all right. It's okay, Princess. She doesn't know you. Oh, excellent. That'll fit without that. Great.
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Yeah, I will now. Wow, good watching.